So, regular ER ending verbs. I hope you remember the conjugations. We add E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, right? Are you clear with usage of O as a subject pronoun?
We.
Yeah,
Yes.
informally it's we. It could also be one, like one speaks Spanish. On parle espagnol ici. Okay, so all of those things. Some of the very common regular ER verbs, there are thousands of them, but some of the commons are accepter, aimer, annuler, apporter, attraper, augmenter, and all these things that you know. So we did this. Even within these regular ER ending verbs, okay, we already are studying regular ER ending verbs. There are some sub patterns. So this was the main pattern, right? ER ending verbs regular, and the pattern was E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Now within this family there are some sub patterns. What are those sub patterns? So the verbs which are ending in CER, okay. So there's a problem because if you see there's a problem with the new form, right? So we have to make C sedil in the new form. Otherwise, it will become pronoun ko. For example, commencer. This is a regular ER ending verb, which means
To begin.
to begin. Right? It's a very simple one because English also is similar. Commencer is to begin. Now, this pattern will apply. Je commence, tu commences, right? Il, elle, on commence. Problem happens in new form. According to this regular pattern, it should be common co, because co is co, right? Remember that coco. This is fine. Commons, okay. Commons, commence. This is fine. The problem is in this one. It will become common co, which is funny. So you have to write a sedil here, right? So it becomes common so. This you will have to do with every regular ER verb which ends in CER. For example, avancer is to advance. Same thing. Déplacer to move. Épicer to spice. Effacer to erase. Annoncer is to announce. All of these are regular ER ending verb, but they are also CER ending verbs. That means उनका जो नू फॉर्म है नू उसमें तुमको सी को करना पड़ेगा सिदिल. Similarly, GER, it is a sub pattern under the main pattern, that is ER ending verbs regular. इसमें भी if you see, if you keep it like so, this becomes nous voyago, je voyage, tu voyages, il voyage, nous voyago, vous voyagez, il voyage. So यहाँ पे तुमको वो साउंड चेंज करने के लिए you have to make it GE, voyagion. So this now becomes G, and the same thing happens with bouger is to move oneself, changer is to change, corriger is to correct, déménager is to shift the house, encourager is to encourage, manger is to eat. manger ये तो पता होगा मोस्ट लोगों को, manger. ठीक है, इसका भी नू फॉर्म आएगा, नू mangions. लिखेंगे कैसे? नू mangions. So you just have to make the GONS to become GEONS if the verbs are ending with GER, regular ER ending verbs. So you just have to go through these patterns, practice them, write them down, and hopefully you'll get them right. That's the beauty of this book. It covers all these patterns. ये कोई नहीं पढ़ाता. Why these patterns are important, right? What they do in Alliance Francaise or whatever the language institute you attend, they just tell you that make this Mongion के केस में ऐसा कर दो. What they do not tell you that you have to do this with every GER ending verb. Okay? So what that makes your life easier, because कल अगर तुमने एक नया verb सीखा, nager, which is to swim, and if I tell you This is a regular year ending verb. ठीक है? So as soon as you have to conjugate it, you will automatically conjugate nagio like this, because you know that GER pattern में regular में you have to change it from G to GE for new form.